extras, you know, behind the scenes, we ride the subway. F line, F train.
This is really taking it to the subway.
Taking it to the subway, you know, aka taking it to the streets. Word. Yo, I can't. Yeah, all right. What? Yeah. Oh, Matrix. All right. They did a train stop or something?
The train stopped for me to finish freestyle.
Oh, okay. All right, I'm ready. Matrix.
The train is moving.
Oh, okay.
This side goes like this. This side goes like He's not like this.
Alright. Oh, wait, why's the lights going? Oh, shit. I seen this shit in a movie one time, yo. And it's like...
Ladies and gentlemen, we are delayed because of train traffic ahead of us.
It's 2 in the morning.
What's train traffic?
I mean...
They won't shut that F line.
2 in the morning, yeah.
2 in the morning is the only train that came for an hour when there's train traffic. What the fuck is going on in New York City?
That's, yeah, he said, give me back my quarter. Yo, yeah, give me back my quarter too.
I gotta tell you, there is a large rat that's crossing the truck right now. And we're keeping animal rights, so we can't run over that rat.
Oh yeah, because you know, what's the name of that? What's the name of that organization? PETA?
Yeah, protect the animals.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if rodents counts as an animal, but I guess, yeah.
It's alive, it's breathing.
Yeah.
It's breathing.
But the infestation, and they making delays on this train.
People like you who make this world not worth living.
I'm sorry. That's why I didn't wear my rat chinchilla coat. You know, I left that.
Chinese restaurant.
It's okay. I'm sorry for the folks at home. I love the rats. I would personally get a rat as a pet. You know.
Don't you remember Ben?
Ben. I didn't see that.
I don't want that. My child is not. They know it. Pick it up, brother. Don't get something you pick it up.
Oh yeah, that Pelham 1, 2, 3, yo. See, if Pelham 1, 2, 3 happens here, there's gonna be a problem because we're on the F. That shit happened on the, was it 6th train?
Yeah.
6th train. That's in Bronx and shit. We in the Queens, yo. We in Brooklyn. No, we in Brooklyn.
We good now.
We good?
Best ride.
Two more times.